Hello everyone. Welcome back to another ordinary day with us, me and Puma, and YuHsuan is working now. Yup. This is his snack box. See, so many food there. Are you waiting for something, Puma? Got him. Okay, still. I'm going to feed him a bit and then I'm going out to visit YuHsuan's grandma. Come out, Puma. No, Puma. Wait. Hey. 跟我一样。好吃吗？ Oh, what is that sound? I'm leaving, Puma. Okay? This building is built like 1 century ago, so it's pretty old. So, yeah. Looks like this. I never see this in Taiwan, and now I get used to it. I just missed the bus. Playing kids outside of the house. Dahyun. No, Hyun. Just for new content. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
I'm smiling.
I'm smiling too.
Oh man, truly you've been toiling to your Lord in painful toil, but you shall.
Salam alaikum everyone. Hello everyone. So today is a busy morning, but I'm really happy because we are going to welcome our new kitty. Yeah. I mean, I don't have a name so far. She's a girl. Yeah, Puma's little sister. Let's see if they are going to get along together pretty well. I don't know. Inshallah, I hope so. Yeah, otherwise it would be a trouble. Are you ready for your sister, Puma? Why are you looking like that? Alright, I know what you want. So I was returning the cage of the owner who's really nice to me and she's really kind. And I was looking for the kitten when I'm back and she's hiding here. So what they say is that at the beginning the new cat have to separate with the old one. Yeah, and she's living in our room now and Puma will stay with me outside. And now I need to comfort him first, you know, because maybe he will feel like, oh, those humans, they're going to abandon me. So I need to play with him more, and we need to observe them first. And I will let the new cat stay in our room for like 1 hour, and then I will check. I prepare all the food and the water, and of course her toilet. Yep. So let's see how it goes. He really wants to go inside that door. Ça va, you'll be fine, baby. You'll be fine. I wash my hands before I touch Puma, because I touched the little kitten. So yeah.
We should take the baby outside and let Puma here, you know.
I don't know. What is that?
Puma, be nice, huh? The sound of your phone. It's good. It's like drinking afraid, you know.
Hi, girl. 你不要吓人呢。I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yes, we didn't wait for like one day or something because Puma was too curious, so let him go. Went inside our room, and it was pretty. How can I say? It was such a beautiful moment that the cats they didn't fight at all, and they tried to be nice with each other. Even the Puma sometimes he lost his but it was still fine. Yeah, and now they are friends. So as you can hear now, Yumi, she's meowing. She's looking for Puma, but Puma, he's tired of her already. Yeah, not really tired, but he wants to do his own things. Like human, so funny. Yeah. This toilet is not for you. Her poop is so small. Puma, what are you doing here? Look at Puma, guys. Always try to scare her. Hey, bad boy, Puma, don't do that. She's using the toilet, bro. Okay, just finish. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. Hey, Puma, be nice. Puma. The heck? I don't know if he's biting her or he's just smelling her, you know. She's playing with YuHsuan's clothes. So when Puma is here. She wants your attention, Puma. Puma, Puma, she wants your attention. You should play with her, baby. Sorry for the mess, but look. She's a fast learner. Hi, Yumi. Hi. She's so sharp. Shiny skin. Now they can eat together. But Yumi always wants to eat Puma's food. It's the same with Puma as well, but yeah, see guys. Yumi, here, Yumi. Wait. Yumi, you see? No, not there. Here. It's yours. Why? It's the same food, guys. Where you going? Where you going, Yumi? Ça va, Puma? Are you fine? You're fine. Thank you for being a good boy. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
警方想要知道这个问题的答案。